To properly install our CPU, we first have to open the latches. The one in red first and the one in green second. We can now open the CPU bracket. And here stands our 2011 version 3 CPU socket. And what makes it so different from the 1150 series socket is the greater number of pins present on the CPU holder. What does that mean? Well, simply that you can run more RAMs at a higher frequency as well as a higher voltage onto your processor. Talking about processor, the one we are going to install on this build is a very impressive 6900k with its 20 MB of L2 cache. Probably one of the very best processor money can buy. And as you can see, I am holding it carefully by its edges. Even though the processor is quite sturdy, you still do not want to contaminate its base and its pins with dead skin or finger oil. When placing your CPU onto the CPU holder, make sure that the golden and engraved triangles match and point toward the same direction. And now we are going to secure our CPU bracket into position. To do so, first raise your upper levier, and as you will see on your video, the locking mechanism will put itself into place. And now let's lock into position the lower levier. By now your CPU shield must have come off as you were securing the leviers into position. And finally, with a little bit more force, we are going to lock in the upper levier.